Welcome back to one more episode from J Quest, and this time it's again the street food review, and we are checking out one more tea place which is situated in Padil. So the tea place is known as the Tea Factory. You can see the board right there. And to give out the location, it's very easy. You just find the first Neuro Hospital, that is the first Neuro Hospital, and just opposite to that is the Tea Factory. You can see a huge building. Just on the end corner you can find a small shop which is known as the Tea Factory. So I'm gonna check out this place and try out a few of the items, and I'll let you know how it tastes like. The Tea Factory is a tiny place where they have a good ambience, and with outdoor seatings. So seatings are wooden seatings which are quite comfortable. Let me give you a closer look of the seating. So these are the chairs. They also have wooden square tables. One of blue tea, which is a butterfly pea flower tea, which has a beautiful purplish color with a lime and a mint on top. Next one is the cold tea, iced tea. So this is how it looks like, and we already sipped it, we already mixed it. And next is the ordinary tea, that is kadak tea. So this is a 10 rupees one.
This is from banana stuffed with egg.
Okay.
Egg bonda.
This is egg bonda. Yeah. Okay. This is banana bonda. And this is normal chicken samosa. If I pronounce it right, it's known as Richi Patti, which has a chicken filled inside, stuffing. And this has, we explained before, this chicken samosa, an egg bonda, and a banana podi, which is all, these are all Kerala dishes, which is served here. And the teas. I already introduced this 3 teas. This is the blue tea, and this is the kadak chai and the ice cold chai. So this is the items. We are gonna dive right in and taste all of them. One more which I served is the saffron Horlicks. The division of the colors looks amazing. I like the way it is. It looks creamier. And to taste though. One more which they served is the chocolate tea. I like the way they decorated the glass inside. So this is actually the warm drink. This is also warm, and this is also warm. This is cooler, and even this. So first I'm gonna try this egg bonda. First let me just remove the covering to show. Yeah, so this is how the stuffing inside looks like. Let me open this. Yeah, this is how the stuffing inside looks like. So this is the half cut egg, and I think they also have some other masalas filled inside. A bite of one. So this is how the stuffing looks like inside. I'm going to dive in and taste this bonda. People would love egg. Definitely go for this. Next is the samosa. Let me show you the stuffing inside. This is the chicken samosa, and it's time to have a bite. crunchy. It's quite a little bit oily, no idea. But it's crunchy and the flavor is good. Crunchiness is good. Next, I forgot the name, how you pronounce this. So let me open up and show you the stuffing inside. Yeah. So this is how the stuffing looks like, and they said it's a chicken. Yeah, you can see the chicken there. So let me grab a bite of this. The filling is in the center, so let me eat the center part. Next is the banana board. You can see the banana stuff inside. This is a kind of a sweet dish. I didn't taste this one, but I'm guessing it's a sweet dish. It's a sweet dish. So they do have stuffing inside. Oh, okay. You can see the stuffing inside. So basically, they slit open the banana and they stuff inside this. I'm not sure what the stuffing is, but let me have a bite. Taste how this feels like. The banana was kind of little rawish, but you know, overall the sweetness is perfect. Not too sweet. The blend is really good, and this is a sweet dish. If you're craving for something sweet, go for it. Next, let's taste the chai. Let's start from the hot. So this is a chocolate chai. It's hot. I'm not a fan of hot, but I know I can feel the flavor of elaichi in this. So more of the chocolate, I can feel elaichi. But it tastes really good. Like the blend, the sugar level is also really good. Next, I'm gonna try the sada chai. The most economic chai, like it's all time. You know, you can notice by the glass. So you know, you can find this in most places. This cost only $10, so this is one thing, one chai everyone likes to go with. The flavor of chai is good. The sweetness is quite low, but I don't mind being less of sweet. It most probably because I had the sweet, so I can't feel the taste of sugar at the moment. So overall, this is good. And by the way, with this ambience, in the evening time, you just sit here, you know, when the sun sets down. It feels like a cool and it's a great place to have a chai. Next, going for this, the colorful chai. This is all, again the hot chai, but I had it like they served it like few minutes back, so it has a little bit cooled down. So I'm gonna have this and try this. So this chai tastes like a juice, but something like a hot juice. Again, they mentioned that it has a lot of health benefits. So why not going something healthy which tastes really good? Next one is coming to my all-time favorites. Let's try with the iced chai. So I am a person who likes cold drinks, cold chai. So coming to this, let's taste this. I've already tasted this. I've already tasted once, but let's do it again. I feel nice to hold the mug with. All time, I would go for a cold chais than the hot chai, because I love something cold. Even hot chais, I wait till it cools down, then I have the hot chais. But this is hands down the good one. So the taste, you feel like lemon. It's more of a lemon flavor. They also add syrups for this to add for taste. So if you're avoiding sugars, I don't think it's recommended to go this. You can better to go with this and more of a sada chai. But if you like something sweet, it's better to go with this. Next is what I'm waiting for the long time. This looks really good. This I have not yet mixed. Let me mix it. It looks really creamy. From the top, it looks like kind of like a buttermilk sort of. Now its entire thing became, white. This is a flavor of saffron chai. Let me taste it. Yes, good. Compared to the previous, what you're seeing at the lime chai, I would go for this. It's really sweet. The taste is like sweet milk and saffron. I think the milk and the sugar is dominating here, but the taste of, you can feel a little taste of the saffron at the bottom. Now, which have arrived at the table. So this is iced tea. This is the infusion of a lot of things in this. So there's iced tea which they have added lemon and mint for the flavoring, and the specialty is that you can see the powder right up there, which is a cinnamon powder, which has the flavor, and you can see the bubbly. I'm not sure whether you can see like this. Yes, you can see the this bubbles going up. One second. It's a lot of varieties also. It's a soda lime tea and a cinnamon.